parcel delivered from the boys at LAM. You've seen it exactly as I'm getting it. I haven't been opening it. All I've done is just turn my address around. So all I've done is just taken that off. So we'll open the box. We've got a nice handy knife. I'm doing this one-handed using my phone. So oh, better not put it too deep. So we'll keep this here. Right, I've just finished cutting the tape. Just remove that. Right, I'll say I've only just opened the box. This is what leaves they kindly put in. And we've got the stand, so that's very good as Lee, thank you very much. Right, we'll just unbox this radio. I've got the camera lady holding the camera, makes it a bit easier. This is the first time I've opened this box, so all the usual paperwork. Well, no wonder box heavy. All these manuals. Very well packed. I think this is the radio here. What's it telling us we have to go? This is the radio. I'll try not to drop it. Quite surprising how heavy it is. That's the radio. There's the battery for it. We'll just put that carefully down there a minute. What else we got in here? Oh, that must be to connect it up to power. Fuses. And the microphone, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So there you go, we'll get this rigged up, get an aerial to it and show it working.
KI5PJZ, looking for a radio test. Anybody, anywhere?
Yeah, you're working okay. You're working okay into the UK. Mike 3 Victor Delta Hotel.
Thank you for coming back to me. Have a good one.
Yeah, same to you. I believe the name there is Roy. Name at this side is David. And you're making the trip no problem whatsoever. Nice audio and everything else. 73's, Mike 3 Victor Delta Hotel.
73 KI5PJZ.
There we are, into that, Yogi. There we are, that's our first contact.
KI5PJZ and C401.
Thanks for getting back to me. I was trying to do a test on the radio for my dad to try to get him set up before we go out of town. Just checking the audio.
Yeah, Roger Roy, good afternoon from North Carolina. My name is Stefan here. Call is NC401, and it's sounding great, Roger.
Thank you very much. We are in Lafayette, Louisiana.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, running a 7100 here with a hotspot, and you're sounding like $1,000,000. So, what radio is it?
We're on a handheld Kenwood D74 handheld.
Oh, yeah, that's a good radio. I like it.
NC4.
Oh, yes. I think I got 3 of them. I have an Icom 7300 that I do my HF with, but I did not know it didn't have D-Star on that one. So we have a hand pass in about 30 days, and I'm going to look at the 705, I believe.
Yeah, the 705 is like in a little QRP radio, but if you want to spend less money, buy you one of the 7100s. That's what I use here. It's a full HF radio. It's VHF and UHF, and gives you plenty of power, and D-starters in it as well. So highly recommend it. If you look on QRZ, I'm sure there's one for sale for less than $800. Roger.
Oh, it's good to know. I will definitely check that out. Because I think those other little ones are 1200 plus right now, the 705s.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, it's a beautiful radio with a pen adapter, but you really don't need that here for D-Star if that's what you like to do. So it's a good QRP radio, but for D-Star you don't obviously need that. All right, Roy. Appreciate the contact. Enjoy your weekend there and coming up, and enjoy the summer. This is NC 401 clear 73s.
Yeah, 5 PJZ 73. Thank you.
Yankee Papa Golf calling G1 YPG calling CQ on 80 Golf 1 Yankee Papa Golf listening.
Mike 3 Victor Delta Hotel.
CQ80 meters G1 YPG Golf 1 Yankee Papa Golf calling CQ80. Hello CQ80 Golf 1 Yankee Papa Golf G1 YPG calling CQ and listening.
Mike 3 Victor Delta Hotel.
CQ80.
Nice filters on this right there. Mike 3 Victor Delta Hotel. Mike 3 Victor Delta Hotel.
November Kilo, Mike Kilo.
As you can see, this radio isn't picking up too bad. It's only on a makeshift sort of wire into the R2ATU. It's nothing special. It ain't doing a bad job to say. It's just quickly only took me 2 minutes to put it up, so